Papa of PaPa's page. Today's Cast Iron Wednesday. We're going to make chicken jambalaya. Our ingredients today will be some cooked chicken, some smoked sausage, chicken broth, rotel tomatoes, some cooked rice, chopped onions, chopped peppers, chopped celery, some garlic, some Cajun spice, some oregano, some black pepper, and then we'll salt it to taste. I've got everything chopped up and I think I'm ready to get started. I've warmed the pot a little bit and we're going to start by putting a little bit of olive oil in the bottom. And I'm going to dump onions in. And bell peppers. And some garlic. We're going to cook the onions till they're kind of a clear color. This recipe was a slow cooker recipe, so I'm just putting things in like I normally would. Now I'm going to pour the sausage in. And the chicken. Celery goes in. Spices. Can of chicken broth. Can of tomatoes. I'm going to put the lid on and let it simmer for a while. It's been simmering about an hour. I'm going to add the cooked rice. The recipe called for cooked rice. And I'm going to add some uncooked rice to help thicken it up because it looks a little bit thin to me. And we'll let it cook some more. Okay, I think this is about ready. So I'll bowl some up. And then I'll go look for a taste tester. Is it too spicy?
A little bit. Good.
And it says this is served with bread, usually cornbread, but we're using sourdough today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.